Now we've been going along the back side of the house here, the same as what we did over on the wood shop. We're putting the extended drip edge on, and then we're putting the design fascia on, all with recycled aluminum. So you can't really see it the greatest from the ground here. It's pretty high up, about 24 feet probably. See, our wood pile is a little bit more protected now because the water's coming out another 5, 6, gosh, at least that, maybe even 7 inches. So now you can see what it looks like up here. And what it looks like along the roof. I'm also pulling off any of the fungus along the roof liner as I go. Not so much over here. There was more underneath the tree. See, it still has quite a few leaves. It's a red oak. Really beautiful tree. So this just gives you a bird's eye view. One of the cool things about working on roofs is you get the bird's eye view of things. Gives you a different angle. So this is where we're at. We have to do some cleanup there and then keep going. I do have some more aluminum here, so we're going to do this. And then tomorrow I'll have to pick up more down to the property. So there's where we're at. We're going to keep working at it.